Time with Mrs. Beth again. Hey Archie, are you listening? I got a book for you and anybody else that likes Story Time with Mrs. Beth. It's called I Ain't Gonna Paint No More. No more. Let's see. Read it together. I ain't gonna paint no more. One day, my mama caught me painting pictures on the floor and the ceiling and the walls and the curtains and the door. And I heard my mama holler like I never did before. "Yeah, ain't I gonna paint no more," she said. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. So Mama put my stuff away. That's what I say. But there ain't no way that I ain't gonna paint no more. So I got it down. So I take some red and I paint my head. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Ah, what the heck? Gonna paint my neck. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still, I just can't rest till I paint my chest. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Guess there ain't no harm if I paint my arm. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I just can't stand not to paint my hand. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Then I see some black, so I paint my back. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Like an Easter egg, gonna paint my leg. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. Still, I ain't complete till I paint my feet. Now I ain't gonna paint no more. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. But I'm such a nut, gonna paint my what? You all don't faint, 'cause there ain't no paint. So I ain't gonna paint no more. What a messy painting job. And you know what? It was a rhyming book. I ain't gonna paint no more, no more. I ain't gonna paint no more. Well, I hope you keep painting and making crafts, Archie, and everybody else that's listening. But make sure you clean up your mess. See you next time, my friends.